Okay guys, for today's video I am in my home gym, which is behind me, because my house is freezing. I don't know what's going on with my heater. You can hear it down here. But upstairs you don't really feel it, and having wet hair and, you know, being cold, just not my thing. So, I am going to be doing a twist out today with a new product. I still am using the same washing products, which is the Male Organics. I think it's like Babusa. I don't know. Their color safe shampoo, and then I am also using their Moisture RX overnight conditioner, which is lovely for my hair. I still got a little bit of breakage here that I am working through with TGIN, and I'm also using TGIN's whatever I have left, their green tea super moist leave-in conditioner. So what I typically do, I got asked this in my last video, I think, last twist out video. I have a comb right here, a brush right there. Let's just see, let's get this right. But I do not, for twist outs, I do not use a brush or a comb. I find that I like my twist outs to look very similar to my natural curl pattern. And when I comb it, yes, it's detangling and all that other stuff, but it really kills any of my curl pattern that's there, and it makes the twist look very twist outy, which is fine for me sometimes. I don't really mind it some days, but as of late, I kind of just want it to look more like a wash and go type of twist out, where you have to kind of ask, like, is that a wash and go or is that a twist out? So I find that when I comb it, that messes it up, and doing it this way just helps. Oh, I really love the way this smells. I used to use this a lot, and it's actually worked fine for my hair. TGIN and Male Organics have always been two brands that I think no matter how my hair changes, it always ends up being super receptive of it. You know how sometimes after you use a product for a while, your hair gets used to it and it doesn't work out the same way? That sometimes happens with other products, but not with TGIN. The product for today is going to be Dove's Amplified Texture Shaping Butter. I am on a mission right now. It's kind of a little difficult, I'm not gonna lie. I think part of the reason why I have breakage just near my hairline is because of when I'm not showing you guys my hair here on YouTube. For the most part, I have my hair in a pineapple, and dag, I'm gonna need another one. And I just started to realize that's a little bit too much for my hair. One second. So I'm trying to go back to just twisting out my hair regularly. That's what I used to do when I was in college. It was like once a week, or sometimes 2 times a week. I would just twist my hair, and that was my go-to style, and I never did anything else. I'm trying to get back to that. Okay, so this is the, like I said, Dove Amplified Textures. It's a new product. They're Twist In Moisture Shaping Buttercream for coils and curls. It has jojoba, I never can say that right, don't laugh at me, and coily and curly, which is literally my hair. So elevate your twist out, braid out, and wash and go with Dove's Twist In Moisture Shaping Buttercream infused with jojoba. What? I just hate this. Jojoba. This formula provides hold and definition to enhance your natural curl pattern. No matter what the style, this versatile buttercream will add moisture, shine, and softness to your hair. Cruelty-free. It moves a little bit. It's a little on the slimier side. I don't know why I thought it would be a little bit thicker, because it's a butter. We're going to say a quick prayer over this, because it was open, but it doesn't have a seal. Okay? And, Jesus, please be a fence over my scalp and protect my hair from anything interesting. I'm just going to believe that this one's okay. I watched a few videos, and it seems like the packet, it just doesn't come with it. But sometimes when you're buying it from the store, and when they re-shelf, the label's not, the seal isn't there. So I prayed over it. Lord, please, in Jesus' name, amen. Here's the consistency. It's very soft. Again, I was expecting it to be a little bit thicker because it's a butter. But that's alright. I guess this lets me know that there's probably a good amount of water in it, which never seems to hurt when you need it for your natural hair. This piece is already dry on my head. Not sure how that happened, but Oh, that's another thing. So with my twist outs, somebody please explain this to me. Low porosity and high porosity, because I think I mess it up every time. I have the type of hair where I retain a lot of moisture, but that means that my scalp and my hair strands aren't able to like absorb moisture that well. Like I have to heat up my head when I have a conditioner or anything that's like that, because the pores are tightly closed. I don't really know what I'm saying. I get confused by this every time. But I know that my hair can stay wet for a long time now. That wasn't always the case. But that's what's been happening as of late. So whenever I wash it and it's twist out day, what I like to do is, ooh, this feels very soft. I just keep it on my turban twist, my, whatever towel for a little while, and then I do the twist out, so that way it just, I don't have to keep it on like. So, first thoughts from applying it. It's very soft, it's not sticky. Again, I was kind of confused on the consistency because when I hear butter, I assume the product's going to be like super thick, kind of a heavy cream. So I'm hoping that, although it is not like that, it is still able to lock in moisture for my hair, which is very much needed. It's interesting, when I get towards the bottom, like when it's drying, it does kind of have, I don't know what product it is. I can't think of the name, but it's like a gel and cream type of, combination, because it's not sticky, but it's not buttery. Just feels a lot softer, I think, afterwards, which is good. I think that that's probably whatever is going to help it be defined, which is one of the things that it says. I want to know, like, for the natural hair community, because this is always a conversation I have with people, what is your go-to style and why? Because for the life of me and my friend Jackie, who's also here on YouTube, she is a wash and go girl. Like, she's a wash and go girl. Every time I see her hair, it's a wash and go, and it comes out the same every single time. It lasts a good amount of days for her. And our hair, if you were to look at our hair, most people would say it's like similar. Like, her curl pattern is close. I think we're both like 3C4 kind of type. Honestly, I think her curl pattern is a little bit looser than mine. But I don't know. It's just I can't get with wash and goes like on a regular basis. I do it once a month, but regularly it's not a thing. So I want to know what other people's go-to styles are, because I know some people it's still braid outs. Like, braid outs was a thing for me when I was transitioning. I feel like if you're transitioning, braid outs are really good because it's an easy way to get just like a lot of definition. And then once I feel for me and my hair that twist outs are better because I know what I'm gonna get. Like, I don't get different results every time. My hair just lasts like longer, because with a wash and go, all it takes is a little bit of sweat or for me to sleep on it wrong or something like that. And now I'm dealing with more frizz than I would have liked on the first or second day. Whereas with a twist out, I don't have that problem. Also, I find that my twist outs are softer. For wash and goes, I definitely need to add like a gel product or something to just lock it in. And I don't need that for a twist out. So my twist outs are softer. And I'm not even going to lie to y'all, the product that I put on my hair, you can smell it so much more in a twist out than a wash and go. I for the life of me, I don't know what it is, but I could smell the product a lot better in a wash and go. Natural people I run into have this, where it's like you have different. We all know we have a little bit of a different curl pattern throughout our head, but like this side of my head has more hair, like more hair strands, but it's a little bit finer, and the curl pattern's a little bit looser than this side. where there is less hair, but I have a tighter curl. My hair is definitely a little bit more coarser. It's very interesting. So I find to make, if you have something similar to that, what I like to do is just try and figure out like how to make it balanced. I just, I like my hair all around to look the same on both sides. And that's also, I think, another reason why I like to do twist outs, because I can control that a little bit better. It's less noticeable, the difference. The twist out, because you're really doing the same thing on both sides, is where, for me personally, with like a wash and go, it's drying however it likes. I can't really say, oh my god, like, can you be like a little bit looser so you could look like your sister on the other side? I can't do that. Or a little bit tighter, a little bit fuller. I love my natural hair. So the twists are in. They feel very soft so far. I can definitely tell that this has a good amount of moisture in it. Oh, and it's color safe. Even better. Okay guys, so it's the next day and I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of just oil, cream, whatever you choose, just to soften this up when I am taking the twists out. I think it's completely dry. I told you guys how I have like hair that retains a lot of water. And I did test it out and it feels pretty dry. But let's see. I'm going to work section by section here just because it's easier that way. I like to pull it out from the top. Just find that it's easier. And from the start, I do have pretty good definition here. So, what I typically do, I'll do it on this side so you can see it, and then on the other side I'll just show you the complete definition before separating. But I like to separate piece by piece. I do not like to wait to the end to try and separate. I find that it's just a little bit more difficult to get it to separate like completely. The more I pull apart my hair, the more definition I get, the less twist outy it looks. So I like, that's another reason why I like to do this section by section. Off the bat, it's pretty soft. I would like to be a little bit softer, I'm not gonna lie. I think it has a nice like softness to it, but again, that butter component that I find in products makes it very moisturized. I don't completely feel. So it feels soft to touch. Looks pretty soft too. But I would say I just would like a little bit more locked in moisture like I mentioned. Let's see how we go. I know the back piece was already dry, so okay. Definition wise though, I am pleasantly surprised. It did add a little more definition to my twist out. Twist outs, it's like, I don't know. I used to think that I was like, oh, how much more definition could you get in a twist out because you're twisting your hair, you're sleeping with it overnight, like, does it really matter? But I've noticed as time went on, being natural and using different products, certain products really like pump up that definition, and others kind of just like, oh, okay, cool, cute. I just wanted to show you guys this before I remove the rest. So this is the side where it's all out and all separated. You can see the definition on this side. I need a little bit of a trim, but yeah. And then this side, get a little closer, is with just the twist kind of like undone, but not separated yet. It's pretty soft. This side is softer. I know I mentioned that for that back piece, it didn't feel that soft, but this side feels a lot softer. Maybe it was just like the amount that I put on my hands when I was applying it. So we're out. This is it. This is the final result of my twist out using Dove's Amplified Textures Shaping Butter Cream. Like I said, my final thoughts is similar to what I was already saying earlier. It is a cream, so I was expecting like a tiny bit more moisture, but this side definitely feels a lot softer than this side, so it could have just been the amount that I applied. Definition wise, it did a pretty good job. I think the one area that was struggling with the definition is my bangs, which is typical because my bangs are like going through something right now. But the rest of it, I like this. It feels lightweight. It's not heavy. My hair feels soft. So I think that's like as much as I could ask for in a product. Have you tried Dove's Amplified Shaving Butter Cream? If you have, let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Did you find it doesn't work for your hair? It worked really well. You love the whole line. Let me know your thoughts. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are new here and you like what you see, be sure to subscribe.